how to fix OBS not showing the pause button when you start recording. So here in OBS, you can see when I click on the start recording button, it does not show the pause button. So here's how you can fix it. What you want to do is stop the recording first, then click on the settings button right here, or you can go up to files and then click on settings. In settings, go down and click on output, then click on output mode and choose simple, and then go down here, make sure you choose recording quality to high. Okay, so change that and then click on apply, then click on OK. Now click on start recording and you should now be able to see the pause button right here. So you can pause the video now or you can start the recording. So it is now paused and we start recording again, or pause or start recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.